Hello everyone. Today this is the algebraic equations xy minus x minus y is equal to 11 yz minus y minus z is equal to 19 and z x minus z is equal to 14. Find x, y and z is equal to 1. This is the question. Let us suppose this is the equation number 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. Now we are going to solve this. Let us, what we have to do in equation number 1, let us add 1 on both these sides. It means that xy minus x minus y plus 1 and plus 1, it is become 12. Or we can say, now we can convert it in the form of factor, that is x can be taken as a common one in between these two. We will get x minus y, y minus 1 minus y, single 1 is taken common, so that this becomes 12. Now this is become the factor of y minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 12. This is the equation number 1, new form of the equation number 1. Now let us take the second equation. Same process to be done the second one also. That will be yz minus y minus z. This equal to 19 plus 1 on left hand side and plus 1 on right hand side, will get this equation. Okay, so that now further we can take y as a common in between these two. Z minus 1 minus z minus 1 is equal to 20. It means z minus 1 into y minus 1. This will be equal to 20. This is the another form of the second number equation. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. Now the third one. Equation number 3. This is first, this is second, now equation number 3. Third was this. It means zx minus x minus z was equal to 14, adding both the side, one on left hand side as well as on right hand side, will get zx minus x minus z plus 1 is equal to 15, or we can say now x can be taken as a common one. Z minus x into z minus 1 is equal to 15, or we can say x minus 1 into z minus 1 is equal to 15. This is the new form of the third equation. Now we are having 3 equations. This is the new form of the equation number 1. This is the new form of the equation number 2, and this is the new form of the equation number 3. Let us multiply all these 3 together. Then we'll get what? Here is y minus 1, here is x minus 1, here is y minus 1, here is z minus 1, here is z minus 1, here is x minus 1. It means if we multiply all these 3 new form of the equations, then we'll get the square of y minus 1, square of x minus 1 and square of z minus 1. Multiplying, the process is multiplying one into 2 into 3, new form, not in the old one, new form. It means this into this into this. We'll get x minus 1 square into y minus 1 square into z minus 1 square. This will be the multiple 12 into 15 into 20. 12 into 20 into 15. This will be equal to 12 into 20 into 15. Now, because this is square, so that we can take the root in order to find the product of these 3 terms, this which will be equal to x minus 1 into y minus 1 into z minus 1. This will be equal to root of this 12 into 20 into 15 root, because this was the square of x minus 1, square of the y minus 1, square of the z minus 1 equal to 12 into 20 into 15. Taking root on both the sides, will take single power of x minus, single power of y minus 1, single of the power of z minus 1 equal to root of 12 minus 20 into 15. This will be equal to 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20 and 3 5s are 15. So that it will be equal to root of 3 into 4 into 4 into 5 into 5 into 3. That is equal to 3 into 4 into 5, that is 60. It means the product of these three terms will be equal to 60. Now, because we are having the product of these three, the individual product can be obtained from this equations using the same, the new, that is not, this is the new form of the first. If we put, divide this equation by this one. Now, what was our position? Our position was this. Equation 1 was this. Y minus 1 x minus y is equal to 12. This was the new form of the equation number 1. And the new form, the equation number 2, was z minus 1 into y minus 1. This is equal to 20. This is a new form of the second equation. And new form of the third equation is this x minus z, x minus 1 into z minus 1 is equal to 15. This was the new form of the equation of 1, 2, 3. And we have now obtained the multiple of all these three terms. We are having x minus 1 into y minus 1 into z minus 1 is equal to 60. We have already calculated over here. This is equal to 60. Let us suppose this equation number 4. Now if we divide this equation by this equation 4 by 1, then all x minus 1 and will cancel and y minus 1 cancel, only z minus 1 will remaining. It means 4 equation number divided by 1. Then we'll get y minus 1 cancel and x minus 1 cancel, we'll get z minus 1. This will be equal to 60 upon 12 is equal to 5. It means z will be equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. The value of z will be 6. Now second, further we have to divide second case, that equation number 4 to be divided by equation number 2. This is 4 and this is 2. Then z minus 1 and y minus 1 will get cancelled here. We'll simply get x minus 1. X minus 1, this will be equal to 60 upon 20. It means is equal to 3. It means x will be equal to 4. Remaining thing is now this equation is to be divided by this third equation. Equation number 4 upon 3. This is fourth, this is third, new form of the third equation. That will be equal to, then x minus 1 cancel, z minus 1 cancel, will simply get y minus 1. Y minus 1, this will be equal to 60 upon 15. That is 4. It means y minus 1 is equal to 4 and y will be equal to 5. So our answer is that z is equal to 3, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Okay, these are the answer. Answer is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 6. These are the answer. Clear? It is very clear. Thanks for watching my video. And please, this is my personal request. By joining my hands, please subscribe me, like me, and give me some comments. Because I am not having so much response as I want to from your behalf. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.